Now here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
All right, fortunately we are done with the heavy rain, but keep in mind, even when rain stops, sometimes those rivers can continue to rise. There's sort of a delayed effect. That's what's happening right now on the Patuxent River. In fact, a flood warning for the Patuxent River. Right now it's at 10.1 feet. That's the river level. Flood stage is 9 feet, so we are above flood stage at this point, and we're forecasting about 10.5 feet late tonight into early tomorrow morning. So the river will continue to rise, and some moderate flooding is possible there. So something to keep in mind if you're near the Cranston area in the vicinity of the Patuxent River. Here's a look at some of the rest of our rainfall totals. Woonsocket over 3 inches of rain, Coventry 3.03, 2.9 in Charlestown, Middletown at 2.6, so not quite as much across the south shore of Rhode Island. And the wind, I mean, we had that 79-mile-an-hour wind gust. This is not quite as bad in Scituate, 52 miles an hour, Burville at 63 miles an hour, Newport 48 miles an hour, and Providence at 40 miles an hour. But definitely a very windy night. Some tree branches are down. Here are the temperatures right now. You can see 30s, 40s, and you're thinking, all right, that's not too bad, but you take these temperatures and you add this to it. You add the wind. Right now, wind gusts between about 25 and 30 miles an hour, 30 miles an hour in New Bedford, 29 miles an hour in Newport, and 23 miles an hour in Smithfield. So the winds will continue to slacken as we go into the afternoon. Not quite as bad as we saw very early this morning, but still pretty windy. And when we factor the wind into the temperatures, here's what it's going to feel like. These are the wind chills. So bring the jacket despite the sunshine if you're out and about this afternoon. 36 your wind chill right now in Taunton, 34 your wind chill in Newport. It feels like 38 in Westerly and 39 on the block. We widen out the view. This is a visible satellite view. Basically, it takes pictures from outer space at the clouds, and you can see a few clouds crumbling off to our north and west here into Massachusetts. But we keep most of these away, so I'm expecting mostly sunny skies as we go into the afternoon. Here are some lake effect snow showers that continue to die away as they move east. A cold front from last night that continues to push out to sea. Behind it, high pressure will take over. That'll set up actually a warmer day on the way tomorrow, but not before we get through a pretty chilly night tonight. Temperatures today in the low to mid 40s. Same story along the south shore. Winds between about 20 and 30 miles an hour, subsiding as we go into the late afternoon. Wickford gets up to 44. Coventry 43. For northern Rhode Island, temperatures also in the 40s. 42 in Burville, Cumberland 42, and Johnson at 43. And for eastern Massachusetts, temperatures also in the 40s, mostly sunny skies. A little gusty early, and then we start to taper those winds off into the afternoon. A chilly night tonight, upper 20s to low 30s. And then in that 7-day Futurecast, actually a nice Friday on the way, close to 50 tomorrow. I don't think we quite get there with partly cloudy skies. And then on Saturday, partly cloudy. A disturbance will pass through early Saturday morning, bringing some extra clouds and some cooler air. So only 43 your high on Saturday, 41 and sunny on Sunday, and then hanging on to the 40s as we go into the work week. So